Welcome back to Industrial Automation Tips. Today we're breaking down one of the most important concepts in Siemens STEP7, the different types of blocks, OB, FC, FB, and DB. If you've ever wondered when to use which block, this video will make everything crystal clear. In Step 7, your program is organized into blocks. Each block has a specific purpose, and understanding these roles helps you build clean, modular, and maintainable automation projects. Organization blocks, or OB, are the entry points of your program. OB1 is the main cyclic program that runs continuously. Other OBs handle events like hardware interrupts, time interrupts, or startup sequences. Functions, or FC, are reusable code blocks that do not store internal memory. They only work with the inputs and outputs you pass to them. Use FCs for calculations, conversions, or logic that doesn't need to remember previous states. Function blocks, or FBs, are similar to FCs but with one major difference: they have memory. Each FB requires an instance data block to store its internal states. Use FBs for equipment modules like motors, valves, PID loops, or anything that needs to remember values between cycles. Data blocks store data. Global DBs hold shared data for your program. Instance DBs belong to FBs and store their internal variables. Think of DBs as the memory of your PLC program. Let's wrap up with a quick comparison of the four main block types in STEP7. This table gives you a bird's eye view of their purpose, memory behavior, and typical use cases. First, we have OBs, organization blocks. These are the entry points of your program. They don't store memory and are used for cyclic execution, startup routines, and handling interrupts. Next, FCs, functions. These are reusable logic blocks without internal memory. Perfect for calculations and operations that don't need to remember previous values. Then we have FBs, function blocks. These are similar to FCs but with memory. Each FB uses an instance data block to store its internal state. Ideal for controlling motors, valves, PID loops, or any sequence logic. Finally, DBs, data blocks. These are used purely for storing data. Global DBs hold shared parameters, while instance DBs are tied to FBs. You use them for recipes, set points, and configuration values. Like and subscribe for more industrial automation tips.